just finished work. On the way back I just went to Tesco to do a mini shop, so I just bought some free from 2 battered white fish fillets just to make in the air fryer. Got some gluten-free baguettes as well for nice lunch ideas. I bought some burgers as well, brioche buns, my favourite, mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna make lasagna tomorrow, so yeah, I needed that. I got these 2 cute, stupidly tasty gluten-free 2 pizza slices. They're really small, so you can make them in the air fryer or the oven. 2 little slices for good lunch ideas. I couldn't resist this Bombay mix hot. I couldn't resist it, guys. It looks delicious. Now for a little snack. I bought some white lasagna sauce for my lasagna tomorrow. Could make my own, but it just saves time. And I bought some free from tomato and herb sauce as well, and I got some milk, guys. So this is my little cute shopping. Just started doing some cleaning after breakfast, guys. These suede sofas accumulate so much dust. I usually use the lint roller, but I don't have any left, so I need to get some more. But I'm just using some wipes just to clean it down. And look at the dust, look at the, oh god, so much gunk coming off it. But it's really important to clean it at least once a week, just to get any extra gunk off it. And gunk meaning dust and stuff, that's my word, obviously. But yeah, so just try to give it a clean once a week and do a bit of a deep clean. But yeah, I just can't believe it, how much dust comes off it. Decided to come out for some fresh air, guys. I've been home quite a bit and I had a bit of a migraine for a couple of days as well, so my friend just came and picked me up and we just went to the local Tesco because this section that we're in now is going to close soon, and they had a sale on. I didn't buy anything, but they had a big sale on, and I think they're going to put Range here. This was Tesco's own clothing, but a Range is going to obviously be the new suppliers in this store now, so I thought let's see if anything's on sale that I like. But everything's nice, but I didn't really need anything, to be honest. My friend bought a couple of things, but I didn't need anything, and I just wanted to pick up some gluten-free cake to take to my mum's, and just a few gluten-free bits, really, grocery stuff, and we just grabbed a coffee as well and spent some time together. I love it. Christian, how much is it?
Now, this is where it gets truly fascinating. Living alone becomes a masterclass in emotional intelligence. You see, most people spend their lives in an unconscious dance of emotional dependency. They're constantly bouncing their feelings off others, looking for validation, seeking emotional regulation through external sources. When a woman lives alone, something profound happens to her emotional landscape. She begins to develop what scientists call emotional autarky, the ability to process, understand, and regulate emotions independently.